Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a 4K quality on CapCut PC. So after you add the clips that you want to edit, you first need to copy and paste it 2 times. Put it after the clip, just like this. So there are 3 clips, 3 same clips just like this. And after that, on the first clips right here, you can go to the video effects and click on the cartoon category and then add the B and W sketch effect to the first clip. So I'll click on plus and then here adjust the durations to be the same with the first clip and adjust the atmosphere to 100. And now add the second effects, click on lens category and then add the blur effect. Click on the plus icon, adjust the size, the duration and set it to around 55 seconds. 55 blur intensity. And after that, you can just highlight this, all of this. You can just right click and create a compound clip. And go to the second clips now, and here you can also add the same blur effect. In here, click on the plus icon, adjust the duration and adjust the intensity, the same with the first one. And now you can go to the cartoon again, cartoon category again, and add the neon effects here just like this and adjust the intensity to 100. And like the first one, just highlight this and recreate a compound clip. Now what you need to do is put these 2 clips on top just like this and the original one under it or in the main track just like this. And now click on this one, the compound clip one, go to blend and here choose the mode, change it into the color burn, this one, adjust the intensity into around 30, the opacity 30%. And click on the second one, the compound clip 2, select the mode into color dodge and adjust the intensity to around 70, just like this. And lastly, you need to click on the first clip and go to adjustment, click on the plus icon to create a custom adjustment, adjust the durations. And now click on the adjustment in here. Let's scroll down and here you need to set the exposure into 4, contrast 5 and highlights 4. So it depends on your clip also, so you can follow this one or adjust it to your clip. And the shadow, I'm going to go with -16 and the brilliance here 6. And lastly, sharpness, adjust it to around 23. Okay, so now it's done. You can see this is the result. Now you'll get the 4K quality on your videos. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.